welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super important pick for all teens out there. All teens out there.
That's right. It's all about staying safe when you are home alone.
Okay, Dad.
Yes, we got it.
Oh. Especially when parents are not around to watch over you.
We learned some big lessons. Let's see what happened to us. This cable is broken. Can I still plug it in? My phone is almost dead. Need to charge it right now. Oh my gosh. What was that? That was so close. Huh? What was that? Oh no. Are you okay? I heard a weird noise. I almost got an electric shock. This cable is broken. We need to be careful.
Stay safe, kids.
We will be back tomorrow evening.
Keep Halo.
Keep both Kafe at home.
Keep both kids safe at home. Watch out for hot things.
Remember to check everything carefully. Don't play around.
Safe travels, Mom and Dad.
Ha 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 ha. We are big kids now.
Finally free! Time to play video games all day!
Yes! Woohoo! Take that, aliens! I got it! I win! Don't be so lazy, bro. Go clean your room. No, it died right when I was about to win. Ah! Why? Let me charge my gaming console first. Wait, where is the outlet? Oh, here it is. It looks old, but it should be fine.
Max did not know that the outlet was very dangerous.
Yes, it's charging now. Finally! One for TV, one for the game, one for the fan.
Do you smell something weird? Like burning plastic? Do you smell anything, Max?
Yeah, kinda. Why?
Max, listen to me. I smell smoke. Look up, it's hazy. We have to call for help now. What de trobe? Time is sponsored. Bromprat. Did you forget to turn something off again?
You sure? No way. Maybe the neighbors are cooking. Yeah, that must be it.
Oh no, Max, look at the outlet, it's smoking!
Oh my God, what should we do?
Should I pull the plug? Stop! Don't touch it with your bare hands, it's dangerous! I need to turn off the main switch first.
The smoke stopped. My heart was beating so fast.
You cannot plug too many heavy devices into an old outlet.
Look, exposed wires like this can cause a fire. Oh, I get it now. I'm sorry. I didn't notice. I thought it was okay. From now on, if a wire is broken, we must tell Dad and Mom. I will mark it so nobody uses it again. Okay, electricity is back, but you must be more careful. I got it, my smartest little sis. Thanks, Max.
Lesson 1. Don't overload outlets and never use damaged wires.
Okay, no more gaming. I'll go wash my face to wake up. I'm so dirty. I need to wash my face. I'm so sleepy. I need to go to bed. I really need a night's sleep right now.
Max completely forgot about the running water.
What is this? Why is there water on the floor all of a sudden? Oh no, the bathroom is flooded. Max! Max! Come out right now! The house is turning into a river. Huh? What? How is there a flood inside the house? Oh, shoot, I forgot. I'm so sorry. You left the water running in the bathroom, didn't you? Oh, no. Oh, no. I forgot to turn off the water. Look, he didn't turn off the water. Oops, I forgot. Thank goodness the water is draining now. Huh, look over there. The water is almost reaching the low wall outlets. Oh no, that's dangerous. Oh no, the electrical wire got wet. Huh, water entering the electrical outlet will cause it to become electrified. Don't walk near the wires. Water conducts electricity, you'll get shocked. That is so dangerous. I almost put us in big trouble again. Now stop talking and help me mop up this water quickly. It took them almost an hour to clean up the mess.
I'm exhausted. Lesson learned. Never leave running water unattended.
Water can ruin wooden floors and cause hidden short circuits. Truly scary.
Ah, I get it. Thanks again, Rumi. I'm so hungry now, but let me cook something to make it up to you. Do you even know how to cook? Don't ruin Mom's kitchen, please. Trust me, my signature spaghetti is coming up. It's perfect. Smells like spaghetti. It smells so good. I love spaghetti.
Oh, is that the new anime episode? I'll watch just for a minute.
Spaghetti sauce needs to simmer slowly. Let's just leave it here. 1 minute turned into 10 minutes. Ah! And the disaster began. Oh no, the fire alarm! The kitchen is on fire! Help! There's a fire! Oh my God, my sauce! It's burning! Let me throw water on it to put out the fire.
Don't use water on grease or electric fires. It will explode.
It's burning! Pour the water! No, stop! Cover it!
Oh, the caking tamale pie that was almost a major kitchen short circuit. I'm so stupid.
Max, you almost burned down our house. That was terrifying. I didn't mean to, Mia. I'm so sorry. Just be more careful next time, okay? Okay. Oh no, look what happened! I know, it's all burnt. Maybe we should have asked for help. I am truly sorry. I just wanted to cook for you. I didn't expect this.
When cooking, never leave the stove unattended. That's a golden rule. I promise I will always turn off the stove before leaving from now on.
Keep scrubbing that corner, Max. Got it, Mia. Together we'll make this kitchen sparkle.
That's why I think we should have pizza for breakfast.
Pizza for breakfast!
That's an interesting idea.
That's why I think we should have pizza for breakfast.
We are home. Wow, the house looks so clean and tidy. We had a very dramatic weekend, Mom, but we learned a lot.
Good job, kids. Safety always comes first when you are home alone.
Remember, check the wires, don't let water overflow, and watch the stove.
That's right, stay safe.
Okay, Dad, we will. Stay safe, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.